Good evening. It was a bear's day out all the way as global sell-off dented investors' confidence and badly damaged the domestic sentiment as well. It was a sea of red across the world markets due to fear of sharp slowdown in the US and deterioration of the Eurozone credit crisis. The Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq index fell approximately 5% overnight. Asian markets fell between 2 to 4%. European markets remained under pressure as well. The Indian markets did see some recovery from the lows of the day. European markets also recovered from the intraday lows and US stock futures also retraced from the early lows. The BSE Sensex lost 387 points to close at 17,305 and the NSE Nifty lost 120 points to close at 5,211. The BSE Midcap lost 3% and the BSE Small Cap lost 2%. The euphoria over the US debt deal gave way to concerns about the health of the global economy. In addition, concerns have also surfaced over the adverse implications of the large spending cuts in the US. The Eurozone credit crisis also keeps rearing its ugly head intermittently. A global carnage in the financial markets were perhaps long overdue. The initial jubilation over the passing of the US debt deal has swiftly given way to the considerable pain. Relatively safer havens like gold, bonds, yen and Swiss franc may continue to attract interest due to global risk aversion. Federal Reserve policy makers will closely analyze the July job data before they meet on Tuesday. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke and his FOMC colleague could address some of the concerns on the US economy and may also comment on the recent turmoil in the financial markets. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.